everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Septika Sari. I am from the Indonesian Technocrat. I will explain the presentation. The Indonesian capital market plays an important role in national company economic growth as a means of finding for company and investment option for the community. The history of the capital market in Indonesia has been through a long journey, starting from the youth colonial era to become a modern institution intelligent with the global economy. Understanding the development of the capital market in Indonesia help us see how this finance sector contribution to national development in economic stability. The beginning of the capital market in Indonesia. The capital market was first introduced in Indonesia during the colonial era, practiced in the Batavia, now Jakarta, by the Dutch Indian government. The stock exchange was formed to support the capital net of two company operation in the East Indians. However, the stock exchange activity at that time were still very limited and only served in the interest of foreign parties. The activities of this capital market were temporarily stopped due to various conditions such as world war and political instability. Capital market after independence. After Indonesian independence in 1945, capital market activity experienced after dawn in 1952, and Indonesian government tried to in capital market by investing in the Jakarta Stock Exchange. However, the understand economic and political situations caused the capital market to grow. It was only the now order in the 1977 the capital market was started by President Soeharto in the Petrosemen Cibinong as the first company that lists its share on stock exchange. Modern development of Indonesian capital market. The 1990s were a critical point in the development of the Indonesian capital market with the implementation of economic liberalization, the privatization of the Jakarta Stock Exchange in 1992, and the stability of supporting institutions as Indonesian Central Security Deposito and the Indonesian Credit and Gold Corporation and the Jakarta Stock Exchange and the Surabaya Stock Exchange, the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Since then, the Indonesian capital market has continued to grow with more and more listed companies, more investment instruments, and is particular from local investors. Conclusion: the history of the Indonesian capital market saw a long and dynamic journey from the colonial era and now become one of the largest capital market in Southeast Asia. This development cannot be separated from the role of the government, private sector, and investor community in building the more transparent, official, and competitive ecosystem in the future. And Indonesian capital market is expected to continue to be the very focus of national economic growth. The Africa more investment, both from with and outside the country.